What is your focus? What is your goal? Okay? If you're just looking just to be great, you can be that. You are that. You can achieve that. You can make that happen. All right? Look forward to accomplishing your goals. I mean, you gotta be happy. You gotta be positive thinking. You gotta be hype. You know, you go to a basketball game, you go see your favorite player play, or a football game, something like that, or you going to your favorite concert, or something like that to see your favorite artist. That's where you gotta be about your success. You gotta be hype about it. Every day you gotta look forward to it. Just like you get ready to go out, you know you got a birthday coming up, right? You already planning your stuff. You already let me let this come by first. You already planned, you got your outfit. You getting your hair done because you're excited because you're about to turn up. That's the way you got to be, man, for your success. You got to be just excited for your success. You got to put that much positive energy and energy towards your success. Just like you want that birthday to be the perfect birthday. Just like you want your wedding to be the perfect wedding. That's how you got to crave and want your success. Just like you might want this girl that you've seen. Or just like you might want this dude that you've seen, to my queens, man. That's how y'all got to be towards your own success. And whatever it is that you want in life. Abundance do not come to a stale spirit. Abundance do not come to dull energy. It doesn't. You got to be so in tune with that shit, man, till people think you crazy. Alright? But that's the way you got to be, man. Most of y'all, only thing y'all want to do is make an extra $600. You can do that. You can do that. If you want to make $1,200, look at $1,200 only being 10% of your income, your daily income. If $1,200 is 10% of your daily income, you can only imagine what you're making in a day. You do the math, but you got to be excited for it, man. You got to be excited. Be excited. You can have all this. 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 You can spend that every day on whatever it is you want to spend it on. Because they want to make up 10% of your income, your daily income. Imagine. You have $1,200 every day you can spend on the fuck you want to spend it on. Now go for it, people. Power up.